Hello students, I hope that you're keeping safe and fine. Welcome back to our maths class. Today we are going to use the Part 2 book, so be ready with your copybook and your pencil case. Before proceeding, we are going to do a recap about the conversion from liters to centiliters. Follow with me. 1 liter is equal to 100 centiliters. 2 liters. If 1 liter is 100 centiliters, then 2 liter is 200 centiliters. 3 liters is equal to 300 centiliters. 4 liters is equal to 400 centiliters. 5 liters is equal to 500 centiliters. 6 liters is equal to 600 centiliters. 7 liters is equal to 700 centiliters. 8 liters is equal to 800 centiliters. And 9 liters is equal to 900 centiliters. Let us repeat it again. 1 liter is equal to 100 centiliters. 2 liters is equal to 200 centiliters. 3 liters is equal to 300 centiliters. 4 liters is equal to 400 centiliters. 5 liters is equal to 500 centiliters. 6 liters is equal to 600 centiliters. 7 liters is equal to 700 centiliters. 8 liters is equal to 800 centiliters. And lastly, 9 liters is equal to 900 centiliters. So in 2 liters we have 100 plus 100 because 1 liter is equal to 100 centiliter. So 2 liters will be 100 centiliter plus 100 centiliters. It will be 200. But this way it is easier for you to memorize. Recite this at home 2 times. Page 14 of the book. Exercise 17. Let's work out. Do you remember on Friday we did an exercise like this? So it is very easy. Part A. 6 liters plus 200 centiliters. We have liters and centiliters. What do we have to do? We just have to turn the liters into centiliters, and then we should add. So 6 liters plus 200 centiliters. 6 liters is equal to how many liters? Yes, 600. So 600 plus 200, you have to work this out. Now part B. 7 liters plus 25 centiliters. We have again liters and centiliters. So we have to turn the 7 liters into centiliters. 7 liters is equal to how many centiliters? Who can tell me? 7 liters is equal to 700 centiliters. Very good. So it will be 700 centiliters plus 25 centiliters. You will have to draw the columns in order to work this out. Now we have part C. In part C we have 3 liters plus 76 centiliters. So 3 liters. We have to convert the liters to centiliters. 3 liters is equal to how many centiliters? Yes, 300 centiliters. So we should add 300 centiliters plus the 76 centiliters in order to obtain the right answer. Part D now. Part A, B, C was addition. Now we have part D, E, and F, which involves subtraction. 9 liters minus 300 centiliters. 9 liters is equal to how many centiliters? 900. Very good. So we have to do 900 centiliters minus 300 centiliters. And for part E, 4 liters minus 150 centiliters. 4 liters is equal to how many centiliters? Yes, 400 centiliters. So 400 minus 150 centiliters. And lastly, for part F, we have 5 liters minus 225 centiliters. 5 liters is equal to how many liters? 500 centiliters. You have to do 500 centiliters minus 225 centiliters. After doing the conversion as it is, that is, turning the liters into centiliters, you will have to draw the columns and work it out in your copybook and then write down the right answers. So do it in your copybook and then you're going to see whether your answers are same as mine. So you pause this video and work it out. After working the exercise out, then you play the video and check out the answers. So first one, part A, 6 liters plus 200 centiliters. That is 600 centiliters plus 200 centiliters is equal to 800 centiliters. Did you get the right answer? Yes, very good. Part B, 7 liters plus 25 centiliters is equal to 725 centiliters. Part C, 3 liters plus 76 centiliters is equal to 376 centiliters. Part D, 9 liters minus 300 centiliters is equal to 600 centiliters. Part E, 4 liters minus 150 centiliters is equal to 250 centiliters. And lastly, part F, 5 liters minus 225 centiliters is equal to 275 is equal to 275 centiliters. Now we are going to look at the picture which shows conservation of capacity. So we have 3 containers A, B and C. Let us see what's written. Observation: containers A, B and C have the same capacity. Why, according to you, they have the same capacity and how? They are in different containers. How can they have the same capacity? Let us find out in the coming video. Be ready to watch a small cartoon about the conservation of capacity.
Little brother. Hey, Shauna. How was the shape hunting? Great! I saw shapes everywhere. Shapes are all around us and... Van, why do you have flour on your nose? What? Oh. And chin? And forehead. Oh, better just wipe your whole face. What's going on here? I made cookies to bring to the class tomorrow. Oh, I love these! You used my cookie cutters that have different shapes. I've got enough cookies for everyone in class. And I have the same amount of water, juice, and milk in all these pitchers. Are you sure they all have the same amount of liquid? Sure, I'm sure. They're all at the same level. See? But each of these pitchers is a different shape. So you can't tell whether the amounts they hold are the same or different just by looking at them.
Uh-oh. Well, now what am I gonna do? I want everyone in class to have enough to drink.
Don't worry, Van. I'll show you. To find out how much liquid is in each of those different shaped containers, we'll need to use a special kind of cup. When we put liquid into this cup, we are measuring. That's why this special kind of cup is called a measuring cup. See these lines? These are for different amounts of liquid. But when you fill this measuring cup to this mark, that's exactly 1 cup.
I get it. 1 cup is always the same amount every time you measure.
You got it. So which of these pitchers has the most liquid inside? And remember what I said about different shapes.
I can't tell which one holds the most because all the shapes are different.
Right. Now let's use the measuring cup and find out. 1 cup, 2 cups, 3 cups, 4 cups. We measured 4 cups, so this pitcher had 4 cups of juice in it. This pitcher has a cylinder shape. How much milk do you think it holds?
I'll measure it. 1 cup. 2 cups. 3 cups. 4 cups. 5 cups.
Right! So let's compare the number of cups in front of each pitcher. There are 4 cups in front of the pyramid pitcher and 5 cups in front of the cylinder-shaped pitcher. Which has more liquid?
The cylinder!
Great job! Now let's see how much water is in the rectangular-shaped pitcher.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cups.
So which pitcher has the most liquid?
The rectangular-shaped pitcher. Wow! Even though the pitchers were filled to the same height, they had different amounts of liquid in them. I guess I'll need some more juice and milk to make sure I have enough for everyone in class.
Right! So if you want to make sure there's the same amount in each pitcher,
I need to measure. I can do that. I also counted all the cookies.
you better count again. I think there's 1 less.
2 less.
Now page 15 of the book. This is going to be your homework, exercise 18. Look at the containers below and complete. So we have container A, which is 100 centiliters, container B, 35 centiliters, container C, 1 liter, and container D, 25 centiliters. What can you see? All the containers are in centiliters except container C. So you will have to convert container C from 1 liter to centiliters. So 1 liter is equal to 100 centiliters. So container C is 100 centiliters. This is the first thing that you will have to do. Part A now. Which container has the least capacity? Least. Plus peu. It is container D with 25 centiliters. Part B. Which 2 containers have the same capacity? Same capacity, qui veut dire pareil. We have container A, which is 100 centiliters, and C, which is 1 liter, that is 100 centiliters. So it is container A and container C. Part C now. What is the total capacity of containers B and D? Total capacity. When you hear the word total, it means that you have to add. So you will have to add the capacity of container B with the capacity of container D. And lastly, part D, find the difference between the capacity of containers C and D. C and D, difference. Difference means la différence, c'est la différence. When we hear this word, it means that we have to subtract. So you're going to subtract 100 centiliters minus 25 centiliters. So work it out in your copybook. So we have come to the end of our maths class. Do not forget to revise the conversion of liters to centiliters. That is 1 liter is equal to 100 centiliters, 2 liters is equal to 200 centiliters, and so on. I wish you a happy learning and stay home, stay safe. See you tomorrow.